Hello everyone, welcome to PRV solution. So in this video lecture we will study about the simulation of KCL and KVL circuit theory experiments. So we will do these experiments on Multisim software. You can install Multisim offline or you can use Multisim online. So here I am using Multisim online software. So Multisim is a designer software which is used to design various electronics circuits, and we can see the output from the circuit by applying proper input to the circuit. So let's start our experiment. Firstly, open Multisim online and create an account on the Multisim website. And after creating Multisim account, I have created already my account. Rakesh Verma KKR is my username, and after login into the Multisim website, then click on the create circuit for circuit designing. So here in this video we want to simulate KCL and KVL experiments. So it is taking some time. So this is the user interface for the Multisim software. So here firstly we will study KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, and for this to study this we will use resistors and voltage source. So resistors we can take here, and from this point resistor, capacitor, inductors, other components. So we will take resistor from here, and if we want to duplicate this resistor, click here, it will create a duplicate part of the same resistor. So in this way we can connect any number of the resistor in the Multisim. So now we will use a voltage source to give power to these resistors. This is the DC voltage source. Now we will use one ground here also to complete the circuit. Now we will connect these circuits. Just move your pointer to the resistor. It will create wire, connection wire here. So it is connected. In this way you can connect different components in Multisim. This ground is not connected yet to the circuit. So this ground must be connected. So in this way we made a circuit using three resistors R1, R2, R3 and a voltage source of 5 volt. So according to KVL I am applying this combination of voltage of 5 volt. We can change this 5 volt to any voltage. This is the DC magnitude. Here you can change the value for this voltage. Suppose I am applying here 12 volt. Click anywhere in the window. So now this voltage is of magnitude 12 volt. Similarly, you can change the value of this resistance by clicking here. So in this way we can design a circuit in the multisim. So now to verify the output voltage, we will use indicators from this tab: voltage indicator, current indicator, voltage current, voltage reference. These are different indicators we can use. So I am using here a voltage indicator. So I will use here, duplicating this, next duplicating this, duplicating this. I used here 4 different indicators, means voltage indicators, which is shown in different colors. So now you will use, or you have to simulate the circuit using this click run simulation from the window. It started simulating the circuit. You can stop here from the circuit and you can find the voltage value across the different resistors. So across this combination we have 0 to 12 volt. These 3 resistors we have 0 to 12 volt, and across this resistor we have voltage drop of 4 volt from this point to this point, 4 volt, and from this point to next this point we have 4 to 8 volt, means 4 volt drop also occurred here, and from in the next time same we have 8 volt to 12 volt. So here is also a 4 volt voltage drop across these resistors. So total voltage drop is 4 volt plus 4 volt plus 4 volt is 12 volt. So in this way we can find the value, or we can verify our KVL experiment in the multisim. We can change here value 1 kilo ohm to 2 kilo ohm. Then again we have to run the simulation in order to update these values. So it is simulating now. Stop simulation. So you can see here a voltage drop of 3 volt, 3 to 9, 6 volt, means 6 plus 3, 9 volt here, and 9 to 12, 3 volt here. So total voltage drop across the combination is 12 volt, and if we combine the individual voltage drop across the resistors, it also comes to 12 volt. So in this way we can verify our KVL experiment. Now we will study KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, and to study the Kirchhoff's current law I will modify the circuit. So I will use this resistance in parallel. I will delete this wire, these indicators from the multisim. I will rotate this resistor accordingly. Now I will connect this circuit. This connection has been done. Now this will connect here. So now I will use indicators to find out the value of the current. So this is the main node. Here I have input current, which is also known as total current, IT, and this current is divided into two parts, IT in I1 and I2. So I will measure the value of this total current, this I1 and I2, and this total current should be combination of these two currents, I1 and I2. This is the KCL law. So I will use here ammeter to find out the current value. Current value in this branch, and so I have connected ammeter to the different resistors to find out the value of the current. Now I will simulate the circuit. Stop. Now I can see total current value is 7.2 milliampere, and here I have 4.8 milliampere which is I1 and 2.4 milliampere which is I2. So I will combine this 4.8 plus 2.4, I will get 7.2. So in this way we can verify the KCL equation to different circuits. So suppose I will change this value 2 kilo ohm to 1 kilo ohm. Simulate again and find the updated value. So now the total current is 8 milliampere, and I1 value is 4 milliampere, and I2 value is also 4 milliampere, because these resistors are same, so current will be divided equally into two parts. So this is the verification of KCL. So in this way you can make a table for KCL experiment by using different voltage and different combination of these resistors, and you can do your experiments. Thanks for watching.